Hi guys, welcome back. We're back with another trading video. So for this trading video, I think I'm gonna first just do a recap of the trade ideas on the longs, the Japanese yen longs. So I think let's just start with the futures. Let's look first at the Japanese yen futures. And as you can see, this is precisely what I explained in the previous video, to say we're expecting some longs on the Japanese yen based on the weekly. This is the levels that I highlighted, and then also in the previous video explained to you why I would like to see a move to the upside from these daily levels. Let me just go daily here and look at the weekly this side. I also did a breakdown of why I expected to see some moves to the upside from these daily levels. So as you can see, we had these two levels, and then the second level is we're actually testing the second level right now, but this might not be the end of it. I think we might see something going down and then continuation to the downside, or we might just see a move to the upside, at least to this level, something like this. So the longs are still intact. We are looking to take the longs. So everything is going as to the plan. So now let's look at the cross pairs. Okay, so on the cross pairs, I think I did a breakdown on on the yen, GBPJPY yen trade pair first. I think if I go on to the 4-hour, this was the level that I highlighted, that from this level I would have liked to see a retracement, because on the weekly we are now in a downtrend. So what I'm expecting is a continuation to the downside. So this is pretty much the play right here on the Japanese yen. And then yeah, this is actually the trade that I'm currently in. I engaged after I saw this retracement, and I saw that there was some exhaustion in the market. Put my pending order right here, and then I took this to the downside. I'm targeting these levels right here, and as of now I've gone break even on the trade, so I no longer have any risk on the table. So this is my first trade, and if I can just go right here, this is the trade that we have running right now. Take profit right below, and this is our entry right here. So we're just gonna let this trade play out, and we'll see how it will play out. So this is the only trade that I'm currently in, but I have a pending order on the dollar yen. This was actually a very actually painful move, because as you can see, I put my pending order right here and I got missed by just a few ticks. My pending order just got missed by a few ticks, so I'm not in the trade as of currently, but I think I'll move my entry. Right about to these levels right here. Move entry, put stop loss higher, and then yeah, just hopefully we get tagged in before the market continues to the downside. So so yeah, this was on the Japanese yen. And then now if we look at the euro, I think on the euro the same logic applied. By sheer, I did not get this exhaustion that I got here, was not the best, especially because I didn't get a test. Remember, I was anticipating a test into this zone here, from which I was gonna expect a move to the downside, but I got a exhaustion move, and this looked like the market was going to continue to the upside just to test that area there, but I never got that. So here I did not look for a trade. And then so yeah, these are pretty much. And then on the CAD JPY, also here I didn't take a trade because here the market structure from the weekly is stable to the upside. So what I would like to see here is a continuation down somewhere, maybe even to this level right here, and then from this level then we can look for a move higher. But for now we are currently here, and guys, here anything could happen. The market could continue to the upside, but my anticipation is that when we get a move to the downside, I'm gonna long the CAD, I'm gonna buy, so I'm gonna sell the yen. And so yeah, those are pretty much my trades. I'm looking at the pound yen, I'm also looking at the dollar yen trade, and then on the table it's also, we also have the let me see, we also have the JPY, the Euro USD. Okay, but here the move isn't matured just yet. And then the last move trade that I'm anticipating is this one right here on the NZDCAD. Let's look at the 1 hour. Okay, cool. You can see we have this nice structure right here. So my anticipation here on this pair was to see if we could get a move down here, then I was gonna take this long. But if we don't get the move down, then I'm going to possibly look to buy. I'm possibly going to look at buy on the break of this structure. I'm going to buy the market and then anticipate a continuation to the upside. So yeah, these are currently all the trades that I have planned, and yeah, we'll see how everything pans out. So cheers guys.